Lots of you probably know by the way I make my work that I do lots of drawing, always drawing, never stop drawing. But I use oil sticks, oil bars. These big ones, R&F oil sticks are fantastic. They're pigment rich. They are bound together with linseed oil and natural waxes. And it means when you use them, and you just peel the paper away to use them, you can effectively draw directly with oil paint and work into the linen, working over dry paint surfaces, rubbing in and blending. They're amazing for blending. They'll dry quicker than regular oil paint, but it just means that I've got a degree of control in a way that you don't have with a brush. And it's something about removing the in-between tool of a brush. So hand material brush, here it's just tandem material, and you can go straight to it and get working. They blend really well together if you're mixing multiple colours together. And the colours are from a range of probably 90 plus, and in really, really big sizes. So you can see this guy. I've probably used over half, so maybe that length. You see the diameter. They're great. And then there are smaller bars as well that I also use, but they're creamy, they're soft. And there we go. There's a blue, like a sort of a light cobalt mixing, over a much more fluid green earth. So green earth and Corbet green are two colours that I use over and over, and they're amazing. But this is quite a flat bar in terms of the pigment consistency, and it sits almost on top of these guys, which are much more oily, full of linseed oil. And that creates a really, really lovely effect. So when I blend, which I do lots of, it works really, really well together. So, highly recommend.